Honda CR-V. Looking for the perfect family SUV in the US? The Honda CR-V is one of the top choices, but what does it really cost to own? The Honda CR-V is one of the best-selling SUVs in the United States and Canada. It's known for comfort, reliability, and practicality. But let's break down the real cost of ownership. Purchase price. New Honda CR-V 2026. Around 29,000美元 to 37,000美元. Used models.
Around 19,000美元 to 27,000美元.
Insurance cost high RPM part. Insurance for CR-V. Around $150, $230 per month. SUV plus family use equals moderate to high insurance. Fuel cost. Fuel economy. Gas, 28 to 34 mpg. Hybrid, better efficiency. Monthly fuel cost.
Around 120美元到170美元.
Maintenance cost. Honda reliability. Around $400, $750 per year. Total monthly cost. Insurance, 180美元. Fuel, 140美元. Maintenance, 60美元. MISC, 60美元. Total, around 440, 560. Month. Pros and cons. Pros. Spacious interior. Comfortable ride. Reliable engine. Good resale value. Cons. Slightly expensive. Not very sporty. High demand equals higher price. Canada bonus winter use. CR-V is great for Canada. AWD available. Safe in snow. Good ground clearance. Family plus winter combo equals perfect. CR-V versus RAV for quick. Asterisk CR-V equals more comfort. Asterisk RAV4 equals more rugged. Both are top SUVs in USA. So is the Honda CR-V worth it in 2026? Comment below and subscribe for more real car cost videos.